Welcome everyone! Today we're gonna learn how to add navigation on Monday Hero. Navigating from one page to another is indispensable for many apps that we use in our daily life. We will do this now. There is an app that consists of 3 screens: New Post page, Login page, and a Sign Up page. Let's start with the Login page. We can see the details about the navigation by clicking the button on the left side of the screen. Click Navigations. As you can see, with the right click on the design and add interaction to navigate from one page to another. For example, when we click on the Have No Account Sign Up button, we want to go to the Sign Up page. Select the button and with the right click, add navigation. Let's choose the destination page. We want to go to the sign up page, so the destination page is the sign up page. Let's choose the navigation type and animation. Navigation type is push and the animation is default. Click Add. That's it. You can see the codes on the right side of the screen. Navigation codes automatically created by Monday Hero. Let's make another example. Select the Login button. With the right click, add navigation and the destination page is the New Post page. And click Add. You can see the navigation details on the left side of the screen. You can edit or delete them. Let's click on Show Navigation to see it in our page. Now we can see the navigation details on our page. When we click Login button, we will go to the New Post page, and when we click to this UI button, we will go to the Sign Up page. As you can see, we can see the preview of the page that we go. By clicking on it, we can go directly to the page. Here we are on the Sign Up page. Now, when we click on Sign Up, let's make the navigation to go to the New Post page. To do this, we add navigation with the right click. Click Add Navigation. Let's choose New Post page for the destination and click Add. That's it. Now you can see the preview of the New Post page. And if you want, you can hide the navigation by clicking on it. Let's go to the New Post page. And here we are. Now we are ready to navigate between screens. Let's download the code and open it in Xcode. We can see the navigation codes in the navigation folder. Click Main Coordinator. We can see the sign up page, New Post page, and the Login page codes. All of them coded by Monday Hero. In the simulator, do we have no account? Click Sign Up. Now we are on the sign up page. When we click the sign up button, here we are, New Post page. That's all for the navigation for now. Today, we examined how to add navigation on Monday Hero. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on your notifications to stay up to date. See you in the next video. Good luck as a Hero developer.